being described as the Super Bowl of cricket. It's IPL that's going to be in the spotlight yet again. One of the world's fastest growing sports and sporting event that draws close to 600 million viewers. It's got a brand value of about $6 billion, and you've got the IPL media rights, which are now going to be in the spotlight. 2022 was the last year for Walt Disney Company India, or Star, owning the IPL media rights, and the bid for the next 5 years is up for grabs on the 12th of June. Now, we understand that the rights are going to be divided into 4 bundles: the broadcast rights, the digital rights, the non-exclusive 18-match rights, and the international broadcasting rights. Now, the base price for the combined IPL media rights for the year 2027 stands at close to 32,890 crore rupees, and it's seen a whopping 100% rise from the 16,347 crores that was paid by Star Disney 5 years ago. Now, experts are even talking about how the auction is going to drive the price point over 35,000 crores to even 40,000 crores, and some are even saying 50 to 60,000 crore rupees. Just to put it into perspective, in terms of the base price for the broadcast rights, that stands at 49 crore rupees. So the price per year is close to 3,626 crores, and for 5 years, 18,130 crore rupees. Where you're seeing a massive jump is for the digital rights as well. Base price is at 33 crores this time around. So for 5 years, it's close to 12,210 crore rupees. The non-exclusive rights, the base price stands at about 16 crore rupees, which takes the price for 5 years to 1440 crore rupees. And for international broadcast rights, it's close to 1110 crore rupees. So who's bidding for this? Well, first up, reports indicate that Walt Disney Company Star will continue to do so. Sony and Zee, they've seen an amalgamation. Still, the approvals are likely to come through, and Zee has also indicated that they could be bidding alone. There is Viacom 18 sports channel, Sports 18, which is going to be a very formidable contender. And then when it comes to the digital rights, we understand that Netflix, Alphabet Inc., Dream Sports, and Times Internet are likely to be in the fray. And there was also Amazon Prime Videos, but news just came out that Jeff Bezos has gone ahead and made a statement saying that they plan to pull out of the bidding for India cricket rights because they're wary of spending billions of dollars in a bidding war. So things should maybe be a little more consolidative if Amazon is going to pull out of the bidding rights. Now, it's known as the winner's curse. Just because they win the rights doesn't mean it's going to be hunky-dory. Broadcasters and platform owners, are they going to be able to recover the money? Because do remember, IPL has already registered a 30% decline in their viewership in the 15th edition. They also have to pay BCCI, production, marketing, and other costs. And it's been a challenge for a lot of these companies to actually, post paying all of these costs, reach profitability. Will advertisers agree to bear the cost of a hike in ad rates with a drop in viewership? That too remains to be seen. So we'll have to wait and watch on the 12th of June, with the bidding war intensifying, what really emerges and who is going to emerge as triumphant.